1 second. Demanded by me a sandwich in the next, or else I'm bumming the cigarettes. That will help me to forget how hungry I am. I can't believe that bastard won this morning. It's the kind of night for vodka and 40s, and we're mixing our drinks. Sip tonight, and we're mixing our drinks. Sip tonight. Today's the dawn of the draft, and tomorrow we're shipped up to Iraq, or else we're cutting off a toe, praying that we won't have to go. I can't believe that bastard won this morning. It's the kind of night for vodka and 40s. Who's ready for the war tonight? Who's ready for the war tonight? I'm running on caffeine and nicotine and amphetamines. I hope more stimulants are on the way, 'cause who doesn't have a drug problem these days? I can't believe that bastard won this morning. It's the kind of night for vodka and 40s, and I'm sipping those pills hard tonight. And I'm sipping those pills hard tonight. This one's really new, so I'm pretty much sure to fuck it up a whole bunch of times, but give it a try.